Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to arithmetic expression, and the quiz contains the basic operation plus, minus, multiplication and division. So we have to solve this quiz using palm task and word math method and find out the correct answer. In the answer list we have four answers: A is 13, B is 27, C is 3 and D is 26. So let's see after solving it which answer is correct. So now, before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. Now, just recall that what are the rules which we can apply to solve any arithmetic expression. So here we will discuss two rules, which is word math and PAMDAS rule. Basically, these are the rules which we can apply to solve any arithmetic expression and we can get the correct answer. And the rule says if your expression contains any bracket or parenthesis, so first of all, you have to solve that part first in your expression. After that, you have to see the exponent or power of any number. Step number 3 is basically you have to solve division and multiplication. So what will you do? First of all, you have to go left to right in your expression and find out division and multiplication. And one by one solve each which has the multiplication and division. And after that, you have to solve similarly for addition and subtraction. So there are 4 steps which you can follow to solve any given arithmetic expression. So let's move towards to solve the given expression. So according to the rule, we have to solve first we have to solve the bracket. So we do not have any bracket right now, so we will skip this step. Step number 2 is basically you have to solve the order of operation or exponent part. But in our expression, we do not have any exponent part. So we will skip this step as well. Now, step number 3, which we will follow, like we have to go and solve the division and multiplication. So you cannot say like I'm using the PAMDAS, so I will solve the multiplication first. And you cannot say like I'm using the what math, so I will solve the division first. Both have similar procedure. So first of all, you have to go left to right in your expression and find out which operation is coming first, either division or multiplication. So here we have multiplication. So now we will solve this one. 13 multiplied by 2 equals to 26 and minus 13 plus 2 divided by 2 plus 13 we will write as it is. And here I am giving the reference like 13 multiplied by 2 equals to 26. Now move forward again, we have to go left to right and again we will find the multiplication and division. So now we have the division here, which is this one. So we will solve this division. So 26 minus 13 plus 2 divided by 2 equals to 1 plus 13. And now we will give the reference here 2 divided by 2 equals to 1. Now our expression does not contain any multiplication and division. Now move forward to solve the addition and subtraction. So what we will do, again we will go left to right and find out one by one which is coming first. So here we have first the subtraction. So we will solve this one, 26 minus 13, which is equals to 13 plus 1 plus 13 we will write as it is. And now we will give the reference 26 minus 13 equals to 13. Now we have here, again we will go left to right in our expression and find out addition, which is coming first. So here we have numbers which are adding each other. So we will solve this one. So 13 plus 1 equals to 14 plus 13 we will write as it is. And here we will give the reference 13 plus 1 equals to 14. And here we have two terms which are adding each other. So we will add these two terms. So we will get the answer is 27. So the answer of the given expression is 27. If you see the answer list, so answer B is the correct answer. So I hope you understand like how you can solve the given expression using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct figure. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn this type of quizzes from my channel. We will meet in next class. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.